Alright, today I'm going to do a quick video demonstrating the quickest and easiest way to remove creosote off your fireplace's ceramic glass, off your wood stove. This is a zero clearance unit. But why do you want to remove this stuff off? Well, two reasons. One, I'd like to be able to see the fire. I'm sure like the rest of you, you'd like to see that fire burning big and bright. And reason number two, the more creosote that builds up on the glass, the less efficiently your fireplace is going to be able to radiate heat. This fireplace has a blower which circulates air through the bottom of the fireplace, spits it out up top, but also you get radiant heat from the fire burning inside this box. It radiates out through this glass, so by having a film of creosote on there, it limits the fireplace's ability to radiate heat outward. So it's important to have this glass cleaned. Now, step number one, you want to make sure that the glass is cool to the touch. You definitely don't want to do this while your glass is hot. Second thing you need to do, get yourself an old spray bottle, or you could buy a new one, and fill it up with straight ammonia. See, I've labeled this as pure ammonia for fireplace glass. Now, I'm going to do half the glass right here, and you can see what kind of job this stuff does. So I'm just going to let that sit there for a second. You can see where we clearly have some buildup. And I always put a glove on and make sure you try not to breathe this stuff in because it's pretty powerful. So here I have just a paper towel. And watch this. See that stuff come right off? Don't even really have to work it in much. Just a light little motion. Look at that. Stuff came right off. I got a little bit more I got to clean up here. More I got to clean up here. So I'm going to spray that. And just give it a light, big spray. Again, make sure you have some kind of gloves on. These are my fireplace handling gloves. Let that sit for a second. And we're just literally going to wipe this stuff right off. This is what I believe to be the easiest way to super clean your glass. Now, I've seen other people out there that, take their fireplace ash and they mix it up with water. And if that works for you, fine, but I mean, I have this thing crystal clear in a matter of, less than a minute. So, ammonia, glove, paper towel, cleans up real nice. Then when you're done with the paper towel, throw it right in the fireplace and you can use this for starting your fire. Anyway, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below.